So for today's instruction, we're going to be using Reason 7.5. And what we like to do, a couple of ways. You either start with the drum or start with some melody. We're going to go ahead and set these settings here. This button right here makes it quantize. So whatever you play live, it sets it right to whatever interval you'd like. So we're going to go with that because it can get all the little offbeat funky stuff. So now that we have that set, we're going to just use that. Okay, we're not going to waste time. We're going to show you how we do it hip hop style. We're going to use the keyboard for that. So we're going to use Alright, that's part one. Now we're also going to rock and roll with certain settings. We're going right to the red rum. We like to use the red rum. The great thing about Reason is that it keeps a lot of the classic. Do a nice snare drum. It gives you that classic drum machine. And remember, the tempo is up very high too, so we're going to lower that tempo, make it more hip-hop-ish. We're going to do new style, a whole bunch of stuff. Classic, can't forget. Now we do that's the style I want, brassic. Yeah, a little more like that, right? Okay, take out the metronome. Booyah, going back to the red rum, man. Red rum is the root of all evil for me when you're doing fast things. We're gonna do a quick drum pattern right here. Doom, doom, right? Boom, boom. Okay, now see, so that real simple drum machine, you like to set it there 16 bars. Now I'm gonna do a little kick. Doom, let's do that. Enter the. Now you can't hear that there. So what we're going to do is 1, 2. Right? Boom, boom. That's what we're going to do. See, just keep it like that. What we like, let's do a lead. Just keep that. I think we're just about done. One more super funk. That bass. Check it, we're gonna raise that bass up. Yeah.
The rhymes every time, not a day. Yeah, it don't matter, my mind is on point, on pay, on sight. Word, I spit the lyrics and I spread the light. Like my name is Jesus Christ. Psych, 33rd degrees in the rights. Yeah, money, speak it right, correct. Yeah, you funny. Oh, anyway,
That's special styles, man. Quick beat, 4 minutes. Yeah, keep going, man. That isn't cue it or nothing. All of mine.